चाहिए लाइफ से भाई?
सेक्स दे सकता है? दे उतार स्ट्रिपिंग कर प्लीज.
We make you bang, blood.
Welcome back to the channel. This is where I left the last video at. Atomic nice time. Coconut biscuit with sugar.
Have fun.
So yeah, I am at Throttle. It was a generic Sunday morning ride. We were here to have some breakfast and chill out. We're done here and now I'm gonna ride out to a place close by that I have a little work at. You've seen the place in the vlog before and I'll tell you more about it when I get on the motorcycle. So let's get to it. So we were just about to leave but we were spotted by a subscriber. He's a motovlogger as well. He's just starting out. You wanna shout out your channel?
Lakshya Lakha Vlogs. If you like my content, do subscribe my channel. Do like the videos and just share them. So kind of
It's okay.
होता है.
And Atomic Cookie and Atomic Nice Time is an asshole. यहाँ गिरी अगर So after having all those parathas and the cold coffee, I am feeling really sleepy, but can't do much about it because I have to bring you guys some quality content. So if you remember, I did a few videos with the Harley only. Okay. So if you remember, I did a few videos with the Harley talking about giving back to my uncle, and the second one was the ceramic coating one. So that's the place I'm headed to. The ceramic coating is a 2-day process, but after the coating is done, you cannot wash your bike for a week or so. I mean, it cannot come in contact with water, so it hasn't been washed yet. So the guys at Ceramic Pro offered a complimentary wash as well, so that's where I'm headed. I'll do a good cleanup of the bike and that would be it. The process of the ceramic coating would be done then. And as I was told, the process of ceramic coating, what that does is creates a layer of protective material, just like the tempered glass on your phones. It protects the paint like that. So over the period of time it gets harder and stronger, but in the starting you gotta take care of it, like not wash it for a week. So yeah, I'm gonna get the bike washed now and you'll see this baby sparkling. So the previous ceramic coating video that I did was a different kind of video from the usual that I tried on the channel. All of you that saw the video really liked it. I mean, it has some really cool cinematic shots of supercars, cars, bikes, etc. And the whole detailing process in general. It's a different kind of video. I am pretty sure you'll enjoy it. All the people that saw the video really did, and I am pretty sure you'll know the difference between a good quality detailing workshop versus an average shop that has been opened on every nook and corner, that and how the people are cutting corners with the quality of work. You'll know all about it. It's a very informative video, a very entertaining video. So if you haven't checked that video out, so do make sure after this one you give that one a watch. I am pretty sure it will be worth your time, and moreover it's a short video comparatively. It's only 5 minutes long, so yeah, just 5 minutes of your time. Give it a chance. Let's do a little trip from here. Woo! Sweet! A lot of people keep asking me if I'm ever gonna own a Harley like this one. I mean, I love Harleys and all, but Harleys aren't my personal preference when it comes to upgrading to a superbike. A lot of people keep asking me to upgrade to a superbike, but to those people I have just one thing to say: bro, paise nahi hai bro, rokda. It takes a lot of money to own and maintain a superbike, and I am just a student. I cannot afford to upgrade right now. I mean, I would be just spending my parents' money, and I don't want to be doing that. The first superbike that I'm gonna own should be of my own hard-earned money. That's what I believe. So yeah, no upgrading plans as of yet. I mean, whenever I do upgrade to a new one, the first one would definitely be a sports bike. I don't know if it would be a faired bike or a naked bike, or how many cubic capacities would that be, but it surely will be a sports bike, because I am still a child. I mean, my humor is still of a 12-year-old child, and to me, being a 22-year-old, adrenaline is everything, man. I get a certain adrenaline rush when I'm on a sports bike. That inline 3 or the inline 4 just speaks to me, man. It just sings. And I am also attracted to the styling and everything about a sports bike. Maybe later in the future, when I have owned a super bike, a sports bike, then I will be thinking of buying a cruiser as such. But I don't see myself owning a Harley anywhere in the future. I see myself owning a sports bike, but not a Harley in any time soon. But don't take me wrong here, because I definitely enjoy Harleys a lot. These babies are torque monsters, man. I mean, if I give it full throttle in the first gear, the back would just start drifting like crazy. And I don't know if I'm ready for that kind of shit. You see where my mentality is. Even after owning a cruiser, I would full throttle it to make it drift. So it is better for me if I upgrade to a sports bike, if and when I get the money and the time. It would happen probably in a year or two. I am not sure, but it would happen. I mean, I have only been riding the CBR for past 3 years at max. It hasn't even been 3 complete years yet. So yeah, I've just clocked 23,000 kilometers on that bike, and I don't know if I'll let that go or if I'll keep that even after upgrading to a super bike. It would totally depend on the time and the circumstances then. But yeah, that is my whole take on upgrading to a higher capacity motorcycle. For all of you that keep asking me in the comment section, I sure hope you can hear those pops from the exhaust. Beautiful, man. कैसे हो भैया? बढ़िया। M4 हाँ फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम। So I've arrived at Ceramic Pro. That's the bike right there, and this is the showroom. You might recognize this from the last video I did here. And they have a host of new cars that they are working on. Pretty sick cars. Let me show you around. A lot of people are coming into luxury cars, performance cars and all that stuff. BMWs and Audis are becoming common now. And when it comes to BMWs performance cars, the M series takes the cake. The M3s is the pick right here in India. Even though you don't see many of them, but the rarity is M4 that is standing right here. And that too in this gorgeous color. I've never seen this color on an M4. And M4s in particular are very rare in India. There's one right here. And right next to it is the Jaguar XF that is undergoing the process of coating right now. We also have a X1 right here and a Toyota Altis right here. They deal in all kinds of cars, and it shows, man, the quality shows. That's why such hypercars, supercars come to their store to get coating here. They are even coating a Royal Enfield Classic 350. Also in the shop is this Audi Q7. I don't know the retail on this, but it's quite much. People trust Ceramic Pro with their cars, and rightly so. So currently they are taking the pictures of the bike. You can find those pictures on the Instagram of Ceramic Pro Delhi. Bye bye beautiful M4. Ow. Hot, 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 hot. It's so hot. I gotta get home and go to sleep. So if you thought the chrome on this thing was too much bling, check out the paint on this thing. It's sparkling, man. It's like stars in a galaxy. It's so shiny, so damn shiny. I saw this bike in the flesh when it was new, and man, trust me, this looks better than what it came from the factory.